Welcome to Happier Leads Academy. Happier Leads helps you to identify, qualify, and engage with your anonymous website visitors. Today, we will understand why it's important to know who is visiting your website, learn about the technology involved, and review some real-world examples. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Happier Leads is a first-party intent data provider. First-party intent data is information a company collects about how web visitors interact with its website, showing what they are interested in. On the other hand, third-party intent data is information about people's online behaviors and interests that a company buys or obtains from external sources, rather than collecting it itself. A major issue with using third-party intent data is that your competitors can access it too. That results in your prospects receiving numerous emails from the companies you are competing with. By using Happier Leads' first-party intent data, you get a unique advantage. You are the only one aware that those companies are actively looking for a solution, and they are familiar with your brand because they have visited your website initially. Now let's discuss about how the tech works. Everything starts when someone visits your website. Without Happier Leads, all you can see is an anonymous visitor. After installing the tracking pixel on your website, we track their IP address and check if there is a match of a company in our database. When we find an IP match with a company, we show you the identity of the visitor. Bear in mind, we do not identify 100% of your website traffic. But don't worry, we only charge credits for unique identified visitors rather than your entire website traffic. Some of the IPs are identified as either internet service providers or bot traffic. We automatically skip those from your results, along with anything else that does not look right. For example, we remove results like co-working spaces like WeWork, where many businesses share the same IP address. It's worth mentioning that we only use their IP, and we do not store any cookies on their web browser. This enables us to bypass the requirements for cookie consent. We are also able to track when visitors are working from home. We can do that because we have a growing network of business-to-business partners who constantly provide us with dynamic IPs, helping us in this way to expand our coverage even further. And this leads us to a common question. Why should we identify our anonymous website visitors? Your website is a goldmine of information. Imagine you have done all of the work needed to bring visitors to your website. This includes optimizing for search engines, investing in paid ads, and possibly engaging using email marketing campaigns. Think of a scenario where visitors browse your site, but they do not submit their contact details. Astonishingly, 95% of those who visit a website keep their identity hidden. They only reveal themselves by booking a demo, signing up for a trial, or filling out a form. Every other visit simply turns into unnamed numbers in your Google Analytics dashboard. Happier Leads allows you to see who's visiting your website. But let's see why this is important. Imagine knowing the companies visited your website but did not convert. These companies are looking for solutions you can provide and know your brand already. Now, there are many reasons why they haven't connected with you yet. For example, they might not find all the information they need on your website. Did you know the average time visitors spent on a website is only 53 seconds? In less than 1 minute of browsing, your website visitors cannot learn all about your different services and offerings. But that doesn't mean they are not still interested. So, what we're gathering here are intent signals. This information can help us narrow down and prioritize potential active prospects with higher buyer intent. Imagine that you have several key accounts in your CRM. You spoke with them a while ago, and they assured you they wouldn't seek a solution until next year. Yet, 6 months have passed, and for some reason, they are now actively looking on your website for more information. This is where we can provide your sales team with instant alerts to help them re-engage as soon as possible. Note here that, in the B2B space, Companies that are looking actively for a solution are 15 times more likely to convert than those that are not. Another reason why people might not leave their contact details could be that they start filling out the form to connect with you, but then get distracted by something else at the last minute. What we are looking to find are signals of companies that are interested to your services or products, but for some reason, they never took any action. You should also consider that business-to-business sales are more complex than selling directly to consumers. They often need to go through many steps in random order before they're ready to make a purchase. Your job is to try to move them to a demo call as quickly as possible. This helps shorten the sales cycle and close them before your competitors do. Every day you are not getting in touch with your website visitors, 3 things may happen. First, they lose interest in the service as their priorities change. What's important to them today might not be tomorrow. Second, you give them more time to learn from your competitors' websites. And if your competitors use an IP identification solution, they'll likely reach out to them first. The best way to minimize these risks is by following up with them as soon as you know they're interested. Our current customers reported that by simply following up with their anonymous website visitors, they were able to turn consistently visitors to clients every single month. Watch this short case study from Growbots, a Happier Leads client that used our method to contact their anonymous website visitors. This approach helped them get about 3 new high-paying clients regularly each month.
So only this year, we got over 25 leads that were interested in Growbots thanks to Happier Leads. And we're on average getting 2 or 3 new customers per month solely because we were able to identify them as our website visitors and reach out to them. So when it comes to the, let's say, social proof and the testimonial, I can definitely say that it's super easy method to use and to add to your customer acquisition strategy, and it will simply deliver results on a regular basis, because at the end of the day, every week, so new people visit your website. You don't have to actually manually write those emails, remember to follow up, remember to personalize it every single time. It's all automated. So you send it and you forget it until the reply comes to your inbox.
We call this playbook Identify, Qualify, Engage. And we're going to show you how you can easily set up this for your business in the next videos. In this video, we've discussed why it is important to know which businesses visit your website. Additionally, we observed how Happier Leads helps marketing teams in building a sales pipeline by just utilizing their existing website traffic. In the next video, we will show you how Happier Leads works in practice.